everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm with such an interesting content that will blow off your minds and also make you stay surprised about what kind of words or what kind of phrases we are going to use now. Let's know. I am going to say you such kind of sentences or phrases which are for sure can create a kind of single word. So one phrase which will indicate and will produce a single word. No doubt the word will be a slightly complicated one, but when you want to know more with me and also more out of the language of English, then you need to struggle a lot by knowing the phrases and what kind of words will be actually used instead of that meaning. So, one word substitution. The content of the day is that one word substitution. Yes, people. Have you people any guesses about what kind of content I'm going to frame it now? Then look up to my video. When the first phrase comes on, like, see, I am saying such kind of phrases to you people which indicates a kind of meaning, and out of that meaning I am going to frame out such kind of complicated words. That too, I am switching on this video only to that words which come under the alphabetical order A only. Only the words that start out with the word or the letter A will be said in this video. So I'm going to frame out such kind of phrases, and also I have also understood and made out of my understanding such kind of phrases, and also collected from most of the books of English. Okay, such kind of phrases which actually means some kind of meaning, and due to that meaning it has been used as a single kind of word. So I have named the content of the day as one word substitution. One word substitution. So let's move on to the channel. Phrase number 1 or sentence number 1. Okay. Voluntarily renouncing throne. Voluntarily renouncing the throne. Instead of using this phrase, you can use the word abdication. Abdication. The meaning spells of the word as abdication. 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 So note it down, guys. Whatever I am saying in this video, I am going to repeat it again and again. Okay. Voluntarily renouncing throne. Abdication. Abdication. Next phrase or next sentence or sentence number 2. Original inhabitants of a country. Original inhabitants of a country. What they will be said as? Aborigines. 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 Okay, not aborigines. Wrong. Most of the people used to pronounce aborigines. Wrong. Aborigines. Someone thinks that it's silent, but it's not. Aborigines, or it's okay also to say commonly aborigines. Okay. Next phrase or next word, which can be approached. Easy to approach. Yes, people, you are correct. That is accessible. Accessible, which is to a continuous access to actually approach to that level. Okay. Next phrase, to accustom oneself in new climate. Acclimatize. Acclimatize. Acclimatize means to adjust in a kind of climate that is in that place. You need to adjust to the climate, which means acclimatize. Acclimatize. Right, I'm breaking the word with slower English spelling and pronunciation. Okay, which will be easy to capture, and also if you have an access with a pen and paper with you, and also write or make a note of it simply. Acclimatize. Okay, next phrase. One who attacks first. Aggressor. Aggressor. One who attacks the first person, not the later. That is aggressor. Aggressor. Okay, aggressor. Next phrase. Allowance paid to wife on legal separation. That word, which is a legally used word, that is alimony. alimony. Alimony, which means allowance paid to a wife on legal separation. When the couple do separate, the kind of legal separation and the allowance paid to that person, to that lady who was separated, that word used, that is aggressor. Aggressor. Okay, next phrase. One who loves and respects or values others. Altruist. Altruist, not altruist. Altruist, not all trust. It's wrong. I is inserted in between. So most of the people also used to pronounce it all trust. Sometimes it might be correct, but actually the grammatical way of pronouncing it says altruist. Okay, altruist. Next phrase is that one who does things for pleasure and not for the money. So what is that phrase called as? Amateur. Amateur, not amateur, that is amateur. Amateur or amateur. T will be silent in some pronunciation, that is amateur. T would silent. Persons representing a state in a foreign country. Person representing a particular state in a foreign country. Ambassador. Most of the people must know that she is ambassador of so and so brand. Ambassador. Okay. Next phrase. One who can use either hand without any problem. One who can use either of the hand without any problem. Either this hand or this hand. Okay, either this or this. When anyone is provoked to use either of this or this hand, then the person will be said as, or the word will be said as ambidextrous. 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 I hope you are noting it down. Okay, are you noting it down? Do it. Ambidextrous. Okay, next phrase. That can be interpreted in any way, or that can be understood in any of the manner or any of the way. Let's look up what is the word. Ambiguous. Ambiguous. Okay, ambiguous. Next phrase. Loss of memory. Amnesia. 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 Loss of memory. Amnesia. Animals that live both on land and in water. Example, frog. Now enlist the word, that is, what is that word? Amphibia. What is amphibia? Amphibians. Okay. Next phrase. Absence of rule or law and order. Anarchy. Anarchy, not inarchy. Inarchy is wrong. Strike off. E, not A. Cut it down. E if written. Anarchy. A-N-A-R-C-H-Y. Anarchy. Which happens once in a year. Annual. Which happens only once in a year. Annual. Annual function happens once in a year. Happens thoroughly every time, every year, per year. That is annual. Deviation from common rule. Anomaly from the common rule. Most of the students also, when you are the science subject students, then you might be knowing that in mathematics, when the subject we used to solve certain problems, there inside at the side, when you are solving some problem, there might be written anomaly. You might find that word A-N-O-M-A-N-O-M-A-L-Y. Anomaly. Okay, A-N-O-M-A-L-Y. Anomaly. So such anomaly, which means deviation from the common rule. Common rule is okay, but you deviated somewhat to some extent. That is anomaly. 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 Okay. Next phrase or next sentence, which does not bear the name of the writer. Anonymous. Which does not bear the name of writer. The name is unknown. Who have written the script? Anonymous. The writer is not known. Anonymous. Strange person. Anonymous. Okay. Next sentence. Medicine used to save plants and animals from being rotten or decayed. Antiseptic. Antiseptic. Medicine used to save plants. This you might be commonly known, that is antiseptic. Okay, I'm not going to repeat it again. Next sentence. Words which are opposite in the meaning. Just now in the previous videos I have already said opposite words called as antonyms. Similar word called as synonyms. Single word substitution for that meaning of the sentence. Okay, that is antonym, opposite word. Next sentence, laws of speech. If aphasia, no, aphasia wrong, aphasia. Okay, so I hope that you have learned one word substitution of certain kinds of words knowing the meaning of the sentence. This sentence which actually elongates a lot, but to find or write certain kinds of single word of such lengthy sentence is easy, right? So no doubt, no matter how long or how complicated the sentence would be, it can be grouped out or it can be sorted out to a single complicated word. No doubt it might be simple or complicated, yet so many beginners or learners might struggle in learning it. But yes, it's okay to learn, it's okay to know certain kinds of words, right? One word substitution, I hope you have noted down, and if you haven't noted down, then you can note it down again referring to my own channel, because I'm going to put this video out in my channel just now. So I hope you have already learned a bit from my video, and if you have learned at least a bit, then do hit the subscription button, and also if you're viewing and not subscribing it, then do subscribe it, because your subscription matters a lot if you want to learn. And also press the bell button, because your bell button will give you much more notification which I am going to put forward in my videos, so and so further and further, while and fine. So let's end this video with this sort of content today, one word substitution. Keep the content for granted, guys, for this today. And that's it for today. Hope you people have enjoyed such kind of interaction and discussion of such kind of words with extremely long sentences but actually means the same word. So I hope you have understood the video, and if you have liked and understood the video, please hit the subscription button, and also your subscription matters a lot. So do subscribe, guys, and also hit the bell button to get further notification. Yes, we are done with today's content. Thank you, people.